Hey guys, welcome back to EduTech Roy. This is Wolverine Gaming from 773 server, and today we're gonna discuss about new train which got updated recently with new patch notes. I missed the opening animation in this video, but there is a full animation and sound effects also. You can see by yourself. There's a new and improved train we got here, and there are 5 compartments, and you can gift some trading contract to conductor whoever is, and then you can aboard on train. You can give minimum one and maximum whatever you want to give. Okay, so it costs as a ticket, and you can see this is a totally new train with most of the compartments we got here. In each compartment we can aboard 5 people, that is makes 20 people can aboard now. And look at the loot or rewards we gonna get, it's also increased. And you can see a little people here who are waiting in line to get aboard. And there's a lot of improvement in train structure and animation too, so we can click on these buttons and see who is going to aboard on which compartment, who wants to go on which compartment. And that's a pretty cool update I see, and I will show you after train departs. So guys, our train is now departed, so I will show you how many passengers can be boarded on this train, and we can see how much rewards we gonna get from it. So I'm gonna go to our alliance train and then view section, and then getting detail section. You can see there's a one conductor which will have these rewards. And as you can see previously, the train has only 5 passengers on board, but now it can be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means it can board now 20, up to 20 peoples. Okay, so as you can see, our alliance peoples has boarded 16 peoples have boarded this train, and they will get all these rewards which will be secured after train arrives at our station. So there are lots of rewards we gonna get, and to board this you gonna give the whatever fee to conductor. You have to give the trading contracts to conductor as a token of appreciation. So this is a cool new train we got, and this is a very important to get this train on boarded. So guys, this is the video for today. I'm sure you liked it, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.